Drospirenone-Ethinyl Estradiol tablet contraceptives is a combination of two hormones, an estrogen and a progestin, which are used to prevent pregnancy. It can also be used to treat premenstrual dysphoric disorder, PMDD, or moderate acne if you have chosen to use birth control pills as your method of pregnancy prevention. In addition to preventing pregnancy, this medication may also make your periods more regular, decrease blood loss and painful periods, and decrease your risk of ovarian cysts. It's important to note that using this medication does not protect you or your partner against sexually transmitted diseases. When taking this medication, it's important to follow the recommended daily dosage and take it at the same time every day for optimal effectiveness. Before you start taking this medication, make sure to read the patient information leaflet provided by your pharmacist, and ask your doctor or pharmacist if you have any questions. Take one active pill, with hormones, once daily for 24 days in a row, then take a reminder pill, without hormones, once daily for 4 days in a row. You should have your period within 3 days after you take the last active tablet in the cycle. If you do not get your period, consult your doctor. If this is the first time you are using this medication and you are not switching from another form of hormonal birth control, take the first tablet in the pack on the first Sunday following the beginning of your menstrual period or on the first day of your period. For the first cycle of use only, use an additional form of non-hormonal birth control for the first 7 days to prevent pregnancy until the medication has enough time to work. If you start on the first day of your period, you do not need to use backup birth control the first week. Vomiting or diarrhea can prevent your birth control pills from working well, so make sure to follow the directions in the patient information leaflet and check with your doctor or pharmacist for more details. And remember, do not skip any doses, as pregnancy is more likely if you miss pills or start a new pack late. And if you have any concerns, always consult your doctor or pharmacist for more information. Some common side effects of Drospirenone-Ethinyl Estradiol tablet contraceptives include nausea, vomiting, headache, bloating, breast tenderness, swelling of the ankles/feet, or weight change. You may also experience vaginal bleeding between periods or missed/irregular periods, especially during the first few months of use. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to notify your doctor promptly. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed because your doctor has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. This medication may also raise your blood pressure, so it's essential to check your blood pressure regularly and tell your doctor if the results are high. If you experience any serious side effects, such as unusual changes in vaginal bleeding, symptoms of a high potassium blood level, or problems from blood clots, it's important to seek medical help right away. This includes experiencing sudden shortness of breath, chest pain, unusual sweating, weakness, or sudden vision changes. Additionally, get medical help right away if you notice lumps in the breast, severe stomach/abdominal pain, dark urine, yellowing eyes/skin, or new/worsening mental/mood changes. If you experience any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, and if you notice any other effects not listed above, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are 35 years old or older and smoke cigarettes, it is not recommended to use Drospirenone-Ethinyl Estradiol tablet contraceptives. This is because smoking can increase the risk of serious health problems such as stroke, heart attack, blood clots, and high blood pressure when using hormonal birth control. The risk of these problems becomes higher as you age and as the number of cigarettes you smoke increases. It is important to avoid smoking or using tobacco products while taking this medication. Before taking this medication, it's important to discuss any allergies you may have with your doctor or pharmacist. Also, be sure to inform them of your medical history, including any conditions such as diabetes, heart problems, kidney or liver disease, and high cholesterol levels. If you have diabetes, it's important to monitor your blood sugar levels regularly while taking this medication. Let your doctor know if you experience symptoms of high blood sugar. If you are planning to have surgery or will be immobilized for a long period of time, it's important to discuss this with your doctor as it may affect your use of this medication. It's also important to inform your doctor of any medications, including herbal products, that you are currently using, as they may interact with this medication. This medication may cause an increase in potassium levels, so it's important to consult your doctor before using potassium supplements or salt substitutes. It's important to limit your exposure to sunlight while taking this medication, as it may cause blotchy, dark areas on your skin. If you wear contact lenses, you may also experience vision problems, so be sure to contact your eye doctor if this occurs. Lastly, it's important to note that this medication should not be used during pregnancy and may affect breastfeeding, so be sure to consult your doctor if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions with Drospirenone-Ethinyl Estradiol tablet contraceptives. Some products that may interact with this drug include aromatase inhibitors, atazanavir/cobicistat, fezolinetant, aspemifene, tamoxifen, tizanidine, and certain combination products used to treat chronic hepatitis C. Drospirenone may also raise your potassium blood level, so it's important to inform your doctor if you are regularly taking other drugs or products that can also raise your potassium level. Additionally, some drugs may cause hormonal birth control to work less effectively, leading to a potential risk of pregnancy. These drugs include griseofulvin, modafinil, rifamycins, ritonavir, St. John's wort, drugs used to treat seizures, and HIV drugs, among others. It's important to inform your doctor when starting any new drug and discuss whether you should use additional reliable birth control. Furthermore, this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, potentially causing false test results. It's crucial to make sure that lab personnel and all your doctors are aware that you are using this drug. If a person has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. In the U.S., you can call the Poison Control Center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call their provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include severe nausea and vomiting, as well as sudden or unusual vaginal bleeding. If you or someone you know may have overdosed on this medication, do not hesitate to seek help right away. Remember, it's important not to share this medication with anyone else. It's essential to have regular physical exams and medical tests while taking this medication, including checking your potassium levels, blood pressure, and having breast and pelvic exams and pap smears. Make sure to follow your doctor's instructions for examining your breasts and report any lumps immediately. Don't forget to keep all of your medical and lab appointments. If you have any concerns or want more details, make sure to consult your doctor. If you happen to miss a dose, consult the product package for guidance. It may be necessary to use additional birth control methods, like condoms or spermicide, to avoid pregnancy. Feel free to reach out to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any concerns. If you frequently forget to take your pills on schedule, it's a good idea to speak with your doctor about switching to a different type of birth control. It's important to store Drospirenone-Ethinyl Estradiol tablet contraceptives at room temperature, away from light and moisture. It's best to keep them out of the bathroom and in a place where children and pets can't access them. When it comes to getting rid of this medication, never flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically told to do so. Instead, it should be properly discarded when it's expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to dispose of it. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.